So hi friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a new video, in a new hike, in a new outdoor adventure, and we can say outdoor cooking. And yeah, it will be really amazing outdoor cooking and outdoor adventure. And maybe you're gonna say this place it is really so amazing, but yeah, we have visited it before, but that doesn't mean that we will not have a good time or a good vibe. We will have a good vibe and we will have a good time, a good adventure. So this place we have been visited it before, but today I'm with my friend. I bring my friend to here so he can swim, he can breathe the fresh air, you know. So yeah, let's explore together and see how you can survive in the nature and in the forest without anything. Check out. So first step, we're gonna, my friend is going to bring some woods so we can make the fire, and me, I'm gonna search for something we can cook, because we have fishes here, so we need something. We're gonna cook, we're gonna put the fishes. So I'm gonna show you how to survive in these points if you don't have I'm gonna put the picture here so you can understand what I mean. And yeah, let's go. So yeah, friends, as we're seeing here, we have a knife. I have a knife here, which is it's Moroccan knife. Anyway, just Moroccan who will know what you mean these, an axe. هذا. So we're gonna first step, as I said, we're gonna make some things. We're gonna bring some things we can cook the fish in. So first of all, first step, we're gonna do like that, So this is the first one. Then we'll search for the other one. I was it's gonna work, I think. But yeah. So we have it here, the other one. We have, I think we're gonna need 4 or 5. So let's go. Let's check another one. This is, I think it's gonna work, I think. Maybe it's not and here is the other one. So we have this one. Actually, it's gonna work. So yeah, I think this is enough. 4. We have 4. As you're saying, this is 4. And we're gonna see if we need some other stuff like this. We're gonna back to to cut them by the knife. Anyway, let's explore the step number 2. So as I said, so after we made the fire, as you're saying here, now we're gonna make something like this. So can you see that? And so we're gonna make the other ones like that. Absolutely, for the head should be as the knife. So we're gonna make the fishes here. It's gonna make it's gonna be easy to put it in the fish, sorry, I cannot explain that in English as advanced, as native speakers, but I know that you understand me, guys. So yeah, let's go. So first of all, friends, as you're saying here, we're gonna watch these things, and as I'm saying always, don't put your trash on the ground or the place that you're going to eat, okay? So that's why we bring another plastic with us, so we can put this stuff in it, okay? Let your place when you're gonna make your adventure or your campfire or everything that you're gonna cook or anything, your picnic, your other stuff. So don't let the trash in your place. be someone who's gonna save our earth. I mean our nature, so forest in general. Yeah, I know my hands are really so dirty right now, but it's okay. We're gonna watch everything here. This is the source of water, as like you're saying. It's late. I don't know. Wow, what the fuck? I forget what they say. It's like we can drink from it, the water, and also we're gonna watch everything here. Fuck you. يا أخي حبي مليت دينا صباح الكلب. So actually some people, love to do, they put the tomato with fuck off. Anna! They love to do, as like I said, the tomato with, close of tomato. I don't know what they say. Fuck off. I forget really. So yeah, for us we're gonna, fuck off.
خلاص من تحت تحت ثم نغسل الحاجات خليك شي في القرعه هذاك شي
تغسيلك حميد غادي يمشي بالخفير. فهمتيني؟ تغسيلك غادي يمشي بالخفير هنا من الاول. After this one, what it means that I finally found the name in English. Pursley, it's the pursley. So take a note. And yeah, now we're having fishes here, as like you're saying. Sure, it's the fishes. There is two type of fishes we have. So here is the other one. Wait, I'm gonna show you right now. The type number 2. So this is the type number 2 of fishes. So yeah. شدني ولعبني بيديك تقول مازال حية. نجيو حتى لهادي خويا بدا كيتهرس العمود لداخل. نشوي ولا مزيان. كيف هذيك صرات مشي مشي ايوا هذا الفيديو زعما يا حميد وقيل ما انا الوحيد اللي عندي وقيل القناص ما كنخسرش في الهضره ياك لا ما عمري هذاك هي الحاجه الوحيده اللي ما تلقاش في القناه ديالي التفاهم ولا تخسر الهضره ولا شي لعبه لا نخسر على الهضره، نخسر الهضره مع عشراني هكا مثلا، وراه ما بقيتش كنخسرها اصلا. راكم شحال هادي راك عارف اصلا ما فيش منك تخسر الهضره. نكون هكا انا وجمعاك هكا وشادين شي هضره وانا نخسر الهضره. لا الملاوي دابا ما كنهضرش انا على هادي فهمتيني. لا جات تخسر الهضره، تخسر الهضره بنادم بعائلته، تلقى مثلا راجل ومراته ولا هذاك وحدهم ولادهم ودقيت تلقى فيديو ديالك تبقى تحفظ الهضره حشومه يا صاحبي. كاين ناس صاحبي كبار كيتفرجوا فينا بعقلهم ماشي غير حتى من العائله، ناس غير كنعرفوهم وكتعرفهم العائله. واحد كاع كان كيف ما جاتش تخسر الهضره باش نجيك نيشان. هذيك هي الحاجه الوحيده اللي ما عمرك ما تلقاها في المحتوى ديالك، وكون درتها كون غتلقى، كون درت شي تفاهه تلقاني طلعت تلقاني عطيتي لي العمام د لهنا. راه ماشي انا راه غنشوف عيني كنشوف عيني غطير في بلاصتها ودير شي ورقيت حتى دوك الجوع. حميد غنموت هنا. الادفنتشر المعقول. دابا راك ماك تلقى الفيديو. لا الملاوش انا كنقرا هنا التربيه الاسلاميه. ولا نشكاد يسكوس عشايا شقي وريوس وانا كان كاتروس انا تعاني ابي اشوف الثاني عشايا شقي وريوس وانا كان كاتروس only one that's cooked, so we're gonna put it here. Yep, so let's go. الفيديو شكون هادي انا ما كتهضر؟ شكون هادي؟ هو طاح خصوصي مسخين مخصوص غير كي درت كيوجع صح. بيلفو شو بدك تقول خلاص هذه So yeah, friends, after we make the fire and we're cooking right now. So the fishes, the grill fishing. You know the grill is it's the fishing grill. And now I'm gonna swim actually. I don't think my friend is gonna swim, but maybe he's gonna swim. Okay, I don't know. We don't know. I'm gonna make him motivated to swim. Anyway, so yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! غتمشي انت تمشي يطرطني شي حاجة. غير يطرطني شي حاجة.
اصبر انا ضربان انا.
انت كيشوف غير شوية واش كاينة ولا ما كاينش.
لا عطلنا الكلاب اصاحبي.
we're gonna swim. شجعني.
عليم. محمد عليم.
البرد اخويا. برد هادشي الملاوي. حنتك